All right. Shalom. It's your brother Yawanathan about out of Wong. Coming at you with another lesson. Transit through the spirit and power you have by Shema Shai. First and foremost, as always, I want to start by giving my praises and glorifications to Yahweh by Hashem Shai by Hashem Pakadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders at Great Millstone of the Well. Peace, love, and salutations to the hopeful elect. Preaching his word, truth, and sincerity. Shalom. Just getting off the plantation, but I just got in my spirit to do this quick transit on the way on the way home. But just something I'm meditating on. I'm gonna title this lesson, Lord willing, fasten your spiritual seatbelts. The ride is gonna get bumpy because, hey, like the scriptures say, when thou comest to serve the Lord, prepare thy soul for temptation, and that great temptation is coming. Okay, and the hour of temptation, which consists of, the MOB, man, the mark. Okay, and Esau is using all this order at KO, this pandemic. And recently you had cyber attack. He's gearing up for his new world order. Okay, it's making way for that. And as men of the Lord, these are the days we've been hastening. Man. 2021 this year, Apostle Hart deemed it the year of hastening the coming day of Yahweh by Hashem Shai, man. And these are exciting times, but you gotta remember, man, the closer we get to the end, the harder it's going to get. Because the little afflictions we catch now, it's just warm up, man, pretty much, man. Okay? We're about to enter into crunch time. We're about to enter into game time, pretty much, man. Basketball, for instance. You have scrimmage or practice. What we're going through is just practice, man. This little light affliction is practice. All right, but pretty soon, all right, it's going to be game time, man. All right, we're going to enter a tip-off, We're going to enter a tip-off. It's going to be time, it's going to be game time. Okay? So, in a game, you anticipate to win. You want to win, man. And that's what we're striving to get. And the way we're going to win is through salvation, man. Okay? Being on that chariot, man. Passing this test. The ultimate test is coming, man. Okay? The ultimate test is coming. So we can't let no man take our crown. We got to stay strong, steadfast until the end, man. Okay? But the ride is going to get bumpy, man. Some of us got to be thrown in concentration camps. Okay? Because we're going to be tried, man. The hour of temptation. That's why it's called the hour of temptation, that mark, man. Okay? The mark is going to be the biggest test where you can't eat. All right? You can't work. You can't function in society, man. You're going to be basically an outcast. Okay? If you don't have this, man. Okay? It's going to be like you don't exist. All right? All right? We already outcast, man. We are outcast already, so, what better way is to prepare our minds to really make it known, because we're not a part of this world, man. The Most High, and He got us out of this world, so it shouldn't be really nothing. All right, we should be numb to this world, man. Okay, so we prepare for that bumpy ride, man. We gotta stay strong, man. Okay, because the Most High, He looking for soldiers, man. Okay, like the scriptures say, 2 Timothy 2 and 3. All right, we'll be a good soldier for Yahweh Shai. Okay, roughly paraphrasing, man. A soldier, man, he endures, man. A good, tough soldier, okay, he endures harsh conditions. We're going to get into some very harsh conditions, man. We're going to see a lot of dead bodies, people dropping dead, a lot of death. a soldier becomes numb, all right, in a state of battle, man. In a time of battle, he becomes numb. Okay, so that's why it's good to be a stoic too, man. Okay, we pretty much numb and emotionless. Okay, because we're gonna have to have some stone cold spirits in that thing, man. Okay, see, we Israelites, we have compassion for Jacob, but we know that the wicked of our people, they gotta die, man. And we gotta become, even family members, man, that ain't right, that's wicked. You know, some of them might be put to death right in front of you, man. Guess what? You're gonna have to be numb to them, man, because you can't take that chip. All right, Esau might try to press you to take the chip with your, you have a child, with your child in front of you. What you gonna do? You gonna fold and take it, or you gonna uphold your integrity? You know, and let her taste of that death. Let him or her taste of that death, man, because you know you can't take the chip. If you take the chip, your salvation is cut off. All right. So you gotta think. You gotta have in the back of your head that you're gonna see him in the kingdom anyway. You're gonna see him again in the kingdom, man. Okay. And you gotta have in the back of your head that you just gonna have to die too. You know. Some of us got to be martyrs, man. All right, some of us gonna be martyrs. All right, some of us are gonna have to taste death for not bowing down to this devil system, man. All right, but that's all right, man. You know, because we know the glory we're gonna get if we endure, man. We hold fast our faith. Because without faith, Hebrews 11:6, one of the scriptures you can't quote enough. Without faith, it is impossible to please Yahweh by Shemel Shah. Alright, it's impossible to please him. Okay, so the Most High is going to try us, man. The ride's going to get very bumpy. And that's the spirit too. I said that because I'm going over some humps right now, you know. In transit. You know, so fasten your spiritual seatbelts out there. Hey, shit's about to hit the fan. You see all the chaos and turmoil going on in the world. This devil's creating. You know, all hell's finna break loose. But guess what? Remember, we got Yahweh by Shemel Shah. And without Yahweh by, knowing that you got Yahweh by Shemel Shah, you can't fail, man. Okay. Can't go wrong without Yahweh Shemel Shah. So with that, Lord willing, this was Inspiring and Edifying. I'm going to go ahead and sign out by saying all praises and glorifications goes to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shah Ba'Hashem Rakakodash, the honest apostles and elders at Great Millstone Well. Peace, love, and salutations to the hopeful elect. Got the four corners of earth preaching his word and truth and in sincerity. Say Shalom, Komiyah Shala, and the Bible Ball. Shalom.